G'day and welcome to the Cloud Engineer Skills YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be going over Azure Container Registry and Quick Tasks. Quick Tasks allow you to build and publish Docker images into your Azure Container Registry without needing a Docker engine running locally on your machine, essentially offering you a Docker solution in the cloud. So what we'll be doing with these quick tasks is we'll just have a Docker file on our local machine that will use the Hello World container from Docker Hub as its base image. And then what we'll do is, using the Azure command line interface, we'll log into Azure, we'll create a resource group, and then we'll put a Azure Container Registry into that resource group. Then we will use the command line interface to do a build and a push of an image into the registry, but that will all be done remotely, not directly from your machine. And we'll do that using the ACR build command. Then we will verify that that build has been successfully pushed by doing a run and checking that the output is as expected. And then we'll clean up the resources that we've created after that. All right, so let's get started. So what I'll need to do is log in first. Now I'll create a resource group. Now what I'll do is I'll create the Azure Container Registry by using the ACR create command. And I'll be using a basic SKU for this activity. Okay, so the registry is now created. What I'll do now is I'll list the repositories that are within my registry. There should be none. Okay, you can see there's none there, and I'll check inside the Azure portal as well, so you can see that there's none. Currently got no repositories in there. So now what we'll do is I'll clear the screen here and I'll do a ls command. You can see I'm in my labs directory where I've got a Docker file in there. If I cat this Docker file, you can see it just contains one statement, which is just the from statement. And this is the base image it's going to be pulling from. So this is the Hello World container image. So what we'll do now is we will do a ACR build command and specify the image that we want to use, and we'll provide a tag to it as well. And basically we'll also provide a reference to where the Docker file is and the registry as well. So this will actually build the Docker image on the server side within Azure. And if it's been successfully built, it will then push that into our registry. So let's give that a shot now. So it looks like that's been marked as successful. So what I'll do now is list the repositories using the repository list command under the ACR section of the command line interface. And we should see one repository that's been created. Yep, and we can see there Hello World repository has been created. Now we'll do a run command. So we're doing ACR run. We're specifying the Azure Container Registry, and we're giving it the run command we want it to do, which is just to run that container image using the v1 tag. Okay, and we've got the message hello from Docker, so that was successfully run. And what we can do now is that's it for running a quick task. So we'll clean up these resources. We don't need them anymore. Okay, so that's it for creating a quick task within Azure Container Registry.